Still recording your monthly rental and fixed expenses manually? Let Recurring GL handle repetitive journal entries for you automatically in AutoCount.
So the tutorial needs a recurrence for the GL cash book entry for the rental transaction. For setting this part, you just new, and then rental pay is a payment voucher. Receive is receipt voucher. So since we pay is payment voucher, and then here to pay to owner king. Owner king, pay after owner king, your description is office vendor. And then you go to date, and date is first. Date is not important, later we can setting. And payment method is by CIMB KL. Check number here is 222001 and amount is 600. Count number, of course, amount you key in here also no point because the system will capture over here. So you just key the rental or you see system. You don't need to type office rental. Okay, AutoCount got intelligences. You just type REN, the system will locate rental for you, and description you know, and then amount is 600. After you set 600, don't save. If you save, the function cannot save as recurrence. So if you not save, then we can click this save as recurrence. Why save as recurrence? And then how this recurrence work? So before we further explain, we go to PPT a while. Okay, here is some tips for recurrence document, recurring document. So if let's say I want to show the payment voucher there, I want to show the format month and year, then how I show this month and year. So here got some sample formats, so you can refer. So I personally prefer this format. So a lion, make sure you got put a lion at front, and then MMM, big M, and then 2Y. So dash no need, dash no need. You just put a lion, MMM, YY as your format. How to put, let me show you. Before we save this recurrence, of course, we set the formula first. Setting formula is over here. So you just put dash if you want spacing at front. So you just put dash and then a lion, big Y, M first, big capital letter M, 3, and then small y, 2. This is the format. This is the format itself. And after that, here, if the detail one also you want detail is bottom here. If you want also the same format, you just copy the formula. After that, we press save as recurrence. Over here, save as recurrence. Recurrence name is office renter. And the format, payment voucher document format. So you just select anyone. Okay, what is this automatic created? Automatic created means when this admin user log into AutoCount, the system will automatic generate this payment voucher. If I untick, the system always asks us, okay, I will provide a listing of this 10 payment voucher. Are you interested to generate? You list out all the possible recurrence transaction before I proceed. And next function is the pattern. What is the pattern? Got daily, weekly, and monthly. So if let's say every 2 months, you here put every 2 months. Quarterly is every 3 months. Half yearly is every 6 months. So you just put here, and then beginning or end of the month. If a 5th of the month, then beginning of 5th day of the month. That's all, very easy. And then weekly also, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, or every Sunday or Monday. So by weekly also can, by day also can, or how many days you recurring bill the customer. So after done, only this one is money, 1st January, okay, beginning 1st day of every month. And here we can, after this date only happen or end by when. So we can generate 3 recurrence. So we put here 3. And then you see the date. You press this generate recurrence date. The system will list out all these date going to generate, and status is blank because it's not happened. After happen, the system will show the status updated. So let me save and execute and show you how it works. So don't save. So you just leave it if you want to set recurrence, unless you want to capture this transaction. If not, then we just cancel, and then I show you if let's say I change the computer date to 1st April then or 2nd April. 1st April or 2nd April doesn't matter, as long as after the setting date. When you log into AutoCount system, the system will generate the payment voucher for you. So let me show you the date here. I adjust, right click, adjust date and time. So I adjust, don't set automatically. Okay, I don't set automatically, and then I don't change automatically. Okay, set time automatically, and then we change manually. So change manually now to April 2nd, any date any date of April. So and then you take, then you change. Okay, now we log into AutoCount. So you just file, log in new account book, you press yes, the system log in. Okay, at the first time. So Chapter 3, login, you see the system date convert to April already, and then you key the password. So after key the password, okay, PC will prompt you, because just now I don't want automatic. So I want to prompt a list first. So press yes, the system will prompt this list. And you double check this list, so you can take, you want this office renter. If you confirm, then you take, then proceed and save. If you don't want, then you cancel recurrence. So, or you want to open and double check before save, then you open. You can open, double check. Now is April. You see the format just now. Okay, I used the formula just now. So the system will capture this format. After that, we save and preview. So this payment voucher automatic will generate this voucher number. If I want to check back the setting, let's say I want to modify the recurrence transaction setting, I can go to others here. You just log into cash book here and then go to others. Got this Manage Recurrence. Manage Recurrence over here. If let's say you don't active or you want to delete, you delete, or you can edit. Okay, and over here after edit, you can press the inactive recurrence button, or inactive account number. Inactive account by account number, this one only apply for the payment to multiple debtor. This is a debtor account number. This is not a general account number. So let's say you pay officer receipt. This 10 customer will pay you every month. So only certain month you want to pause for 2 customers, and then inactive recurrence by account number. And you see the status is success now. So if let's say May you offer you no need to pay, then you just press inactive. So May the system won't generate this voucher automatically for you. And also the source document here, you can double click. The system will go back to the payment voucher. So from this listing. And for change the formula, you just edit, and then over here you can change the formula. So that's all we need for the 3.5. So let us move forward to the next section.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.